Hey guys, so I wasn't even gonna do a video on this, but I got another stitch fix and I needed something to wear for my brother's wedding in Montana, and also kind of wanted something for Rosh Hashanah, which was why I was going to do the video because we're so busy right now. But I just wanted to show you I got my fix, and wow, I love everything that they sent me. It's like I don't even know what to do now because I'm gonna have to keep all of it. So they sent this green shirt. I'll just try to show you guys real quick. I know this is not the best video, but there's like a sweater and a blue knit shirt. The skirt, which looks really nice, and this shirt. And the shirt, it has where you can roll up the sleeves and button it, or you can have a long sleeve. Yeah, like I said, I was just so happy with this fix from Stitch Fix, and I don't know what to do now because everything fits me perfectly and looks good, and it's easy, modest, and I love it. I'm so happy with this one. So I just want to share that with you guys. Maybe I'll do a blog post on it since I'm not like a squirrel. Okay, anyway, sorry. Yeah, maybe I'll do a blog post because this video is probably not the greatest video, but hope that you guys will try out Stitch Fix and maybe find something that you love too. Alright, bye, and Shana Tova if you are celebrating Rosh Hashanah. Alright, and there goes the squirrel again.